Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to integrate a custom domain or subdomain into systemi.io. First, we need to go to the settings from the user image in the top right corner. Now click on the custom domain from the left navigation. Now click on the add domain. Here, we need to type our domain name. Now save it. After saving, we will receive some DNS configuration related information. We need to update this DNS related information into our domain's DNS. For this, we will go to the place where we bought the domain. We bought our domain from HostingJar. If your domain is from different place, the interface might be slightly different. Here we have to select the type CNAME. Then copy this www and paste it inside name field. And copy this target value and paste it inside this target field. We can leave the TTL as it is and click the add record button. DNS record created successfully. Now go back to the DNS configuration interface in the systemi.io and copy this part again. And here we have to select type CNAME and paste this value in the name field. Copy this target value and paste it inside this target field. And again we can leave the TTL as it is and clicking on the add record. DNS record created successfully. After updating the DNS record, it might show pending validation. It may take a few hours to become ready to use. Here we need to wait for the DNS propagation time. This time can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 24 hours, but don't worry. During this time, you can check if the DNS is updating correctly using DNS checker. We can see our DNS is properly updated, so that we have to wait for couple of hours to become our domain ready to use. Hope you found this technique helpful and enjoyed the video. If you have any question or need any help, feel free to contact us. See you in the next one.